4 p.m. on the dot, Eastern Time. S&P Index 500 15-minute chart MetaTrader. Looking at the RVI and watching Spence versus Crawford videos. So the S&PX, it is selling based on the 15-minute chart, right? All right, so we're going to look at the ADX of 15. So it's just getting started. It won't be done till about 65. So looking at the RSI, it's at 44. It's at neutral. It just bought up to its highest point. You see right there, the end of that wick on that black candle right there. So it just bought up to right there, and then from there, it's been selling down. We are going to be selling down until the RSI says 30, under 30. Now, the RVI, the opposite twin brother of the RSI, is crossed, but under zero. So it is crossed under zero. That would mean it would be going up. But you see right there, it crossed under zero, and it went up. Now, it crossed under zero again, and from there, it's going down because it only crossed under zero to go up to neutral, which is right under zero. And right there, we are about to continue it traveling downwards until this RSI is at under 30 and the ADX is over 55, 60, and the RVI is crossed again like this, but under. So it will be crossing now and going under, and then it will just travel very low, like around there again, and then cross again. It's just a dance. We're going to follow the dance on the 15-minute. Now, to confirm this move, we'll look at the hourly and the 4-hour chart. Now we are quickly on the hourly chart. RSI of 40, ADS of 19, similar situation. RVI crossed under the zero. And from there, we check the 4-hour. This 4-hour candle was white, and there's 1 hour left in this 4-hour candle, and it's white. So, could still be going up. Now look, 4-hour RSI, 31, very close to being done. Probably is already done. I just looked at the chart, so I haven't been able to watch it at all. So, most likely, this is the beginning of the 4-hour candles of it going up. So, it is actually getting ready to go up. 31 RSI on the 4-hour. As the RVI crossed, where is it at? It's under zero. And it's not crossed yet. So we have to wait for it to cross. It's the 4-hour. It would have to wait. It's about to cross, so you can see the signal. So at this point, yeah, if you want to place in a buy, you're good. Your 4-hour chart's at 31, and the RVI is about to cross. So you can just wait a little bit longer until it officially crosses. But you see the corner of the green line. The green line is the signal. That's the actual price. That's the actual signal. You see how it has that corner. It can flip anyway. So you see it is turned in your favor. It's pretty much a cross right there. So we will be waiting for the 15-minute cross. Oh look, 15-minute cross there, under zero. What does that mean? Going up, right there. It crossed under zero, going up. Boom. Crossed under zero again. Boom. So what does that really mean? Guess it means it's going up. But what it's actually doing confirms what I said at first. My first guess would be to say, hey, this is crossed. It's under zero, so that would mean you buy it if the RSI were under 30. But it's not. The RSI is at 40 to 50. That was neutral, so now it's crossed under zero at neutral. It went cross under zero, bought up until neutral. What's it going to do now? Cross and go back down until the RSI 15-minute is under 30. Then at that point, this 4-hour RVI should be crossed. And that's the hypothesis and experiment that we're going to be running today. We're going to start running experiments on the charts like Einstein, like just how to get super rich, super fucking fast. Fast before anybody can try to set you up, before they even know what happened. I tell you, heard the good news from me over the phone. Let me tell you that one. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. Can't be the rich guy at the party. I'm sorry, baby. You know what I'm saying? I sent a bunch of gift cards. You know, I cash out the fuck out of you. How about that? You know what I'm saying? We can FaceTime. Buy the iPhone just for your ass. You feel me? So that's basically the experiment that we're running right now. So we're gonna just keep doing that for different charts. We're gonna run experiments. Alright, so 4 hour to wrap this one up. SPX500 4-hour chart. 31. We're gonna get ready to buy this. But it's not under 30 yet, baby. It's not under 30 yet. And that's about to cross, but it's not crossed yet. And I almost never counted. 15 minutes at 41. That is not a buy, boy. That's not a buy. It means it's buying. It's passing, not buy, but it's neutral. RVI 15 minutes crossed under zero. That would be a buy if the RSI was under 30. So with a cross, that's a sell. So we're going to sell it, continue to sell it until the RSI on the 15 minute is under 30. That should link up with the 4-hour RSI being under 30 or at 30 and the 4-hour RVI being finally crossed like this one is. Then let's see what that 1 hour is trying to tell us. The 1 hour is crossed under, ready for the buy, but the RSI is not at 30. So that's the story that these three RSI and RVIs are telling us. The hourly, 4-hour, and 15-minute RSI and RVI indicators only. We're going to look at the 4-hour and 1 hour RVI. Boom. We're looking first off to see if it's negative or positive. Negative. So that means it is going to 30. We're waiting for under 30. Now, once under 30 happens, we're waiting for that cross. So by the time this RSI hits 30, if that cross is still there and it hasn't switched up to being diverged, where the lines are parallel to each other going in the same direction, not touching. Right now they are converged. You're looking at the converged MACD basically, but in another indicator, which is the RVI. So yeah, man, we get to do some legendary stuff, man, and make a YouTube where I just leave the code on Forex behind, bro. It's just so legendary. Forex is gonna be popping forever, just popping. Niggas just come in and make money. Like they're gonna have to change the market, real shit. Like that's what y'all need to be looking into now, cause now I just cracked the code. So what does that mean? That means like they kill me and change the code, so I can't crack it again, cause they know I can crack it. So it's like, damn, you gotta get rid of him first. That's why I was like nervous. It's like, fuck it. I already know I'm gonna die. And it's not about that. So there's no fear. No fear. They told me I'm gonna die. No fear. No fear. Just do it. Just do it. Nobody's gonna be mad at you for helping the everyday person just become rich as fuck. Like what the fuck? You niggas spend your whole life watching TV, killing your imagination. And you know, the best you can wish for is a lot of fucking money. And you just couldn't even wish for like the fucking aptitude to study how to make the fucking money. But you know, it is what it is. All you do is watch TV, and here's the best TV show on the planet. Damn it. Here we go. Welcome to the job show. This is my job. But what's yours? Aw. You don't sound like you love it. Aw. So, that's our experiment for right now. This experiment, SPX500 hourly, going down to 30. RVI lines cross under zero, ready for the buy. But the RSI does not concur. And these hourly candles do concur with that. They definitely concur. The hourly candles concur. There's a sell. This 4-hour white candle is looking awfully suspicious. These 3 white candles are about to get jumped by a bunch of niggas on the charts. That's what I'm saying. I don't condone racial violence. Now, I don't condone any kind of violence. Get them out of my face with that. Now, ADX 45. It's about maxed out. But It's like the maxed out. Not yet. RSI about to hit a smooth 31. It's really close. On that 4 hour, it's really close. And it's not crossed yet. When the line is crossed, that's the precise timing. That's your sniper. You wait for that. That's your general. The RVI is your general. Listen to the general. Real talk. You're a commander with a sniper. This is your entry. You wait for it. You wait for it. As soon as it's crossed, it'll let you know. Like, it'll let you know by crossing that it is ready. It is the best price it can give you. It wants to give you the best price. Real talk. The absolute best price. Real talk. Crazy. So, it's about to cross. Just waiting. Let's run another experiment. We just went through this one already. We're good, right? 15-minute concurs, hourly concurs, 4-hour concurs. The cell's still going. This hourly RSI has to go under 30. And we're waiting for the 15-minute RSI to go under 30. We already have the crossings, so we're going to check again at 5, right before 5. We're going to let it do this thing for about 45 minutes. See how it's like 40, it's about 12 points away from it being oversold on the RSI. We have 45 minutes left, so that's like, right, you know what I'm saying? I want that time or something like that. 45 minutes left to move 12 points. 45 minutes for 12 points, so a 4-hour candle, 12 be like 15 points times 4, 30, 60 points on a 4-hour candle. 60 points, it goes from, so it's really like, but it goes from 30 to 70, so that'd be like 30 to 70 and then 70 to 50. Hey, you see what I'm doing? You see what I'm doing? I sound autistic. You know what I'm saying? Just like real talk. Do you hear what I am doing? Like I might be on to something. I am timing the RSI. Like when it comes to silver, the RSI from 70 to 30 is 60 pips. It's 60 pips. Easy, if not 90 pips. It was really, no, it was really 19 all the way to 1835, 75, 80 pips, easy, 80 pips. The RSI from 74 to 26, 24, 74 to 24, that's 40, right? 7 minus 2 is 50. 50 points, 40 something points on the RSI is equal to 80 pips. Do you see what I'm saying? That's half. I just told you that the 40 points, the entire RSI moved from 70 to 30 basically. That whole 40 points is equal on silver at least to 80 pips. That means every 40 points on the RSI is 80 pips. That's crazy. I gotta write that down. Whoa. Hey, I'm filming it, nigga. Damn, that's crazy. Because you just clocked the pip count. It's an 80 pip move. It's a whole 80 pip move. And then you're saying they can move, like, within this hour, it has to move 12 pips. No, 12 points on the RSI. They don't have a name for that. Call it RSI pips or some shit. You know what I'm saying? 12 RSI pips. 12 pips on the RSI, which is way more. That's what I'm saying. Like, so you can actually know how serious this is. Like, selling it right now at 44 is good, neutral. But buying it at 44 is not good, no bueno. Because it's going to 30. That 14, those 13 or 14 points on the RSI down to 30, under 30 to 25, 24, it's going to murder you. Oh my goodness. You know what I'm saying? Especially on something like this. Oh my goodness. We could be looking at a smooth, it being at 36 even. You know what I'm saying? 35 even, something. 35, like $100 under where the signal started at. So that's basically it, man. We're going to stop. We're going to do one more experiment. Let's pick another one.